WTF?
Can't say WTF. You're not like a guy. Guys don't say that kind of stuff. I know some boys that say WTF. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, hang on. I won't wear. Boys don't wear this.
Dude, Cropper! When you look better kick my ass. I need to drop off the timber! Better kick my butt. It's interesting.
Silly, you gotta be mysterious. Go back in there and be mysterious.
Okay. Dude, Cropper! I need to do a mysterious thing. Drop off some logs.
That's your logs. I think I'm a big guy. I have a temper. Is this tape dirty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, Cropper! No. Let me drop off some timber! Can you get away from me? You didn't seem very interested.
Silly, were you mysterious?
I don't know.
Go back in there and be mysterious this time.
Okay. Do you know the Cropper?
Dang it, last time.
Do you know the Croppers? No. Man, I need to drop off some timber! Can you get away from me?
You don't seem mysterious. Take number 8. Are you really seriously keeping count?
No.
Ouch, Charlie.
Do you know what the Cropper is? No. I need to drop off some timber.
Hold on.
You didn't seem interested.
Silly, you have to be mysterious. Go back in there and be mysterious.
Okay.
Why are you looking at me?
Do you know what the Cropper is? I need to do a mysterious thing. Drop off some timber!
Why did you take your phone on me? But I thought not you. Your what's the auntie? Look at your auntie. Your auntie looking back. I know, I put my shorts down so that I was a monkey guy.